Hey everyone, it's Uncle Amos here. How's it going? Ready for the new episode? I've put together an awesome collection for you, the most useful, cute, and fun things. You might find exactly what you've been looking for today. But before we start, let's do a little ritual. Check the subscription and turn the bell gray so you don't miss the next episode. And don't forget to leave a comment at the end telling us what you liked the most. Ready? Then grab some coffee, some sandwiches, and let's get started. Let's go. Fall is the season of change and stylish looks. How about spicing up your outfit with a unique accessory? For instance, a bag with a screen where you can display customizable images. It's bold, creative, and guaranteed to catch attention. And if you get tired of it, you can simply turn it off. The bag syncs with your phone, allowing you to control all its settings. Choose the image, adjust brightness, and even schedule animations to appear or switch off automatically. This bag is spacious and can be worn over the shoulder, keeping your hands free, perfect for quick movement around the city. It charges via Type-C, which is super convenient since this type of cable is always within reach. Transform your artistic vision into reality with this professional-grade drawing tablet featuring a 15.6-inch Full HD screen with 120% sRGB color accuracy. Its laminated display minimizes parallax for precise, natural strokes, while the responsive pen with 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity ensures every detail is captured. Designed for comfort and efficiency, the tablet includes 8 customizable shortcut keys and a red dial for smooth zooming and navigation. Compatible with major design software, it's perfect for artists, illustrators, and designers seeking ultimate control over their work. Bring the theater to your home with the MagCubic projector, powered by Android 11 and dual Wi-Fi 6. It delivers 260 ANSI lumens of brilliance with crisp 1080p resolution. Compatible with 4K and a 1280*720p native display. Whether indoors or outdoors, its advanced Allwinner H713 processor ensures smooth streaming, while BT 5.0 guarantees seamless audio connections. Perfect for cozy movie nights or big outdoor gatherings, this projector transforms any space into a vibrant cinema experience. Compact, versatile, and feature-packed, your entertainment just got upgraded. Capture every moment on the road with the 70mm Dashcam Omni, featuring a 360 degrees rotating lens. This innovative dashcam ensures no blind spots, recording crystal clear footage in stunning HD quality. Packed with smart features like advanced eye-powered driver assistance, real-time alerts, and voice control, it's the ultimate co-pilot for safer and smarter driving. Whether you're on a daily commute or an epic road trip, the 70mm Dashcam Omni has your back, delivering peace of mind and unbeatable clarity, day or night. Turn up the beat and light up the night with the MIFA Tango portable Bluetooth speaker. This rugged performer boasts an IP67 waterproof and shockproof design, making it perfect for pool parties, hiking adventures, or beach bonfires. With Bluetooth 5.3 for seamless connectivity, rich bass for room-filling sound, and an integrated flashlight for nighttime fun, it's more than just a speaker. It's your ultimate outdoor companion. Enjoy up to 25 hours of uninterrupted playtime and let the music guide your adventures. This cool silicone holder for Apple Watch charging is a real convenience. It lets you position your watch so the screen stays visible during charging, with secure fixation ensuring safety. A mini helper styled like a retro gaming console, it's sure to grab attention and won't leave you indifferent. Its compact size makes it easy to place on your desk, letting you charge your watch while going about your daily tasks. A stylish and practical addition to your workspace. Why settle for ordinary when you can type in style? The K86 wireless mechanical keyboard not only gives you Bluetooth and 2.4G connectivity but also comes with a display screen and a volume rotary button for that extra dash of sophistication. Whether you're gaming like a pro or smashing out emails, this keyboard has your back and your fingers. Hot swappable switches mean you can easily upgrade your typing experience. Plus, with the volume knob, you can quickly turn down the music when your boss calls, because multitasking is an art. Say goodbye to greasy meals and hello to crispy perfection. The MyUI 5L air fryer is your ticket to healthier cooking with its oilless magic, touch controls, and a non-stick basket that makes cleanup a breeze. The visible window lets you spy on your snacks as they transform into golden deliciousness. No sneaky fries escaping your watch. It's family-sized, so you can whip up meals for the whole crew. or just yourself if you're really hungry. We're not judging. Finally, a kitchen gadget that makes you feel like a chef and a wizard at the same time. Transform your space into a glowing masterpiece with the LED sunset lamp, perfect for cozy evenings, trendy photo shoots, or pretending your living room is an exotic beach. Just plug it in, and voila! Instant mood lighting without the sand in your shoes. Who needs real sunsets when this lamp delivers golden hour vibes at the click of a button? Bonus! No sunburns, no bugs, just pure Insta-worthy ambiance. Step up your content game with the LED Photo Studio Light, designed for TikTok, YouTube, gaming streams, and beyond. This portable panel lamp ensures you're always shining bright, literally. Whether you're recording a makeup tutorial or an epic game stream, this light makes sure your audience sees you in your best glow. Plus, it's so versatile that even your cat's next cameo will look professional. Meet the Sponge Octopus Tripod, because even your camera deserves a little flexibility. Whether you're snapping pics on a mountain, streaming from your desk, or just propping up your phone for a selfie, this octopus-shaped tripod will cling to anything like it's your new best buddy. It's lightweight, easy to bend into any position, and so versatile, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Get ready for stable shots and a tripod that never says no to a good angle. Say goodbye to manual pumping and hello to the Xiaomi Mijia Air Pump, your new favorite gadget for quickly inflating everything from tires to pool floats. With its sleek design and powerful performance, this air pump makes it easier than ever to keep your car, bike, and even your air mattress ready to go. Compact, efficient, and oh so easy to use, it's like having a portable air wizard in your bag. Whether you're on the go or just prepping for the weekend, the Xiaomi Mijia Air Pump makes sure you're always inflated with joy. Ready to tackle those small home projects like a pro? The Works 8V rotary tool is here to save the day. From sanding and grinding to polishing and carving, this tool does it all, without the bulky, heavy feeling. Its compact design makes it easy to handle, and the powerful motor ensures you get the job done with precision and ease. Whether you're working on crafts, repairs, or hobbies, this rotary tool will be your trusty sidekick. It's like having a mini power tool army in the palm of your hand, minus the noise and weight. A reference from the movie Inception: if the spinning top keeps going and doesn't stop, then we're all still asleep. Remember that trick? Alright, enough jokes. In reality, this is an awesome stress relief gyroscope made entirely of stainless steel. It's a cool gadget that can easily help you relax when needed or stay focused when you're feeling tense. Just pull it out and give it a spin. It's a great solution if you're quitting smoking or notice yourself engaging in doom scrolling. Aesthetic, cute, and discreet, this is the perfect gadget for your free time. Step into the past with this retro-inspired LED Edison bulb, but with a modern, energy-efficient twist. The gold spiral filament creates that warm, nostalgic glow, perfect for setting the mood. Whether you're hosting a dinner party or just trying to look more sophisticated while binge-watching your favorite show.